Welcome everyone. Welcome in the video Simple Equations Part 2. Level of the problems we will deal is raised in this video. Please do watch Part 1. Let's do first question. 4 bracket m plus 3 equals to 18. 4 bracket m plus 3 means 4 times m plus 3. You can see many operations in this question. There is multiplication, bracket and addition. So we will follow the reverse order of BODMAS to remove the operations. First of all, we remove addition and subtraction sign, but here we don't have addition and subtraction. So now in reverse order, the next is division and multiplication. And only after that we can remove brackets or off. So to remove multiplication operation, we have to divide by 4 both sides of the equation. By doing this, 4 and 4 will be cancelled in the left hand side, and in left hand side we will left with m plus 3. On right hand side, 18 divided by 4. After cancelling both by 2, we will get 9 by 2. Let's see again. We will divide 18 and 4, both the numbers, by the common factor 2. And it will give us 9 by 2. So on right hand side we will have 9 by 2. Now you can see plus 3 is still connected with m. So to remove this plus 3, from m, we subtract 3 from both the sides of the equation. Let's back to the equation. M plus 3 equals to 9 by 2. To remove plus 3, we will do minus 3 on both sides of the equation. We know that plus 3 minus 3 equals to 0. So minus 3 plus 3 will be cancelled. And on left hand side we will have only m. Now solve 9 by 2 minus 3 by 1. After solving it correctly, we will get 9 minus 6 by 2, and that will give us 3 by 2. So the value of m is equal to 3 by 2. We will write, therefore, the solution of the equation is m equals to 3 by 2. This is the answer. Now you solve question number 1. 6 times y minus 2 equals to 20. Let's solve next question. Minus 4 bracket 2 plus x equals to 8. Minus 4 and bracket 2 plus x, they are connected with multiplication operation. We can write minus 4 multiplied by 2 plus x. We will follow the reverse order of BODMAS to remove the operations. Bracket will be solved at the end. Let's copy down the question. Minus 4 multiplied by 2 plus x equals to 8. To remove minus 4 from left hand side, we will divide both the sides by minus 4. On left hand side, minus 4 will be cancelled. On right hand side, 8 and minus 4 will be cancelled and we'll get minus 2. On left hand side, we are having 2 plus x equals to minus 2. Remember that 4 is having negative sign. Now we have to remove this 2. We write 2 plus x equals to minus 2. This 2 is having positive sign. So to remove this 2, we need to subtract 2 from both the sides. Now this plus 2 and this minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 will give us 0. And we will left with only x on the left hand side. And in right hand side we will get minus 4. At last we will write, therefore the solution of the equation is x equals to minus 4. Now you try question number 2. Solve minus 3 bracket t minus 2 bracket closed equals to 12. Let's do third question. 4 plus 5 bracket p minus 1 equals to 34. Here also many operations are there. Here also we will use the reverse order of BODMAS to remove the operations. So first of all we'll remove addition or subtraction. So first of all we'll remove plus 4, and for that we will do minus 4 on both the sides. This 4 is positive and this is negative. Plus 4 minus 4 gives 0. And on the left hand side we will left with 5 bracket p minus 1 equals to right hand side is 30. Between 5 and p minus 1 there is multiplication operation. To remove this 5 we will divide both the sides of the equation by 5. 5 cancelled and right hand side will get 6. On left side we will have p minus 1 equals to 6. To remove this minus 1 we need to add 1 both the sides. Plus 1 and minus 1 will give us 0, and at the end we will get p equals to 7. We will write, therefore the solution of the equation is p equals to 7. Answer. Now you try question number 3. 7 plus 4 times a minus 3 equals to 27, and question number 4. 6 times b minus 4 minus 8 equals to 48. Thank you for watching, learning, sharing and subscribing the channel.